like you get talking. And you're like,
Yeah, totally.
So, this is where we work. This is where we sit all day and night. The floor is surprisingly comfortable to sleep on at 3 AM. But what we've got here, these bottom three, this is Fraunhofer. This does non-contact overhead measurement of the wires above us. So you can see there we've got height and stagger of the wires, PDS, pole detection system, tells us that the structures are in the right place and they're not too close to the rail or anything. There we've got wire wear, which tells us the thickness of the wire, make sure that the wear on the wire is even. And then when the data from that's processed after the shift, if they do pick up any issues, they can look at the video and back it up and see if they can actually physically see anything. And then if it does go wrong for whatever reason, I can override it and manually move the train back to the correct line. But that gives us all of our location information, our engine time reference, track ID, miles, yards, speed. Where we've got the green line, that tells me that I need to be recording. The red line tells me where we fit. So what we've got here is PLPR, this is plain line pattern recognition. So back in the day, obviously you'd have guys walking the track, physically looking for missing clips, broken chairs, broken sleepers. That's what this does now. So you see we've got the 7 cameras on slightly different angles of the railheads, so they can look at both sides to make sure that the clips and chairs are all in good condition and are actually there. So what we've got here is our bread and butter. This is track geometry, this is what we're here for. So what we've got to do is to trace. That literally tells us what the track is doing underneath us. If we get any faults come through, we have to be able to read that so we can then invalidate or validate the fault as needed. If they're over a certain category, we report them directly from the train. If they're bad enough, we stop the train, speak to the signaller and shut the line behind us. A couple of subsystems, so that just tells us that they're all connected and speaking to each other. That tells us that it's picking up a location from RTPS. The pie chart will tell me if there's any faults I haven't looked at. And then the rest of it is just telling me that all of the actual devices are producing an input and it's creating data as needed.